We are at my newest listing at 297 Oxford Place in Lake Claire. So this is my favorite neighborhood, maybe because I've lived here for 21 years, but it's an incredible location, perfectly located in town between Candler Park and Decatur, Kirkwood and Druid Hills. It's full of wonderful parks and green spaces, beautiful homes, awesome people, the very best schools. It's really an awesome neighborhood. As you walk up, the home is elevated from the street, which gives you incredible views and beautiful light that fills the house throughout. As you come into the foyer, you'll see the original light fixtures from 1910 and beautiful windows. Opens up into the staircase and into this gorgeous formal living room. So just off the foyer, through the restored pocket doors, is this stunning living room. It has a restored gas coal fire basket, which makes it perfect for cooler days and makes it feel so cozy. It also has double French doors that open out into a wraparound patio that sits high above the street. And then we also go right into this stunning dining room that's perfect for entertaining. It also has the original china cabinet, and it's really the hub of the home. Right off of the dining room is this stunning sunroom that makes a perfect place for a hangout space, for TV, or even just a great place to read a book. And then moving towards the back, we have this really gorgeous kitchen. So it has been custom designed. It has a 48-inch gas range with double ovens, 6 burners, a separate griddle. It's a perfect chef's dream. This 9-foot beautiful marble island, a separate banquette, and then on the back they have included these really stunning steel windows and doors that really bring the outside in and give this historic home a touch of modern luxury. Moving right off of the kitchen is a gorgeous screened porch, which is perfect for entertaining and dining, as well as an uncovered porch. Okay, so this one may shock you, but this is actually my favorite thing. This is the most beautiful pantry I may have ever seen, and it's so well laid out. It has very nice cabinets on the lower level. It has this beautiful wood countertop with built-in outlets so that you have a place for all those small appliances to go so they don't clutter up your countertop. On top of that, this is one of the original historic doors that they have to go into the entrance. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Finishing up the main level is this gorgeous guest suite. It has a really nice high-end bathroom, a built-in desk area. It's a perfect place for guests, or you can use it as your 5th bedroom. We're now upstairs in the primary suite, and this is truly a retreat. So as you come in, this is this beautiful bonus room, which makes a wonderful place to relax. You could even make it a home office. And then right off of here is the sleeping porch, and it's actually screened in, so you can relax there with coffee in the morning or a drink at the end of the day. And then you enter into the actual bedroom, which is beautifully done with large windows overlooking the backyard. It has a custom walk-in closet as well as a stunning bathroom, complete with a Toto Washlet. So it truly has all of the luxuries that you could imagine, and it's beautiful. We're now in one of the secondary bedrooms upstairs, and this is one of 4 bedrooms. This one is the largest and has a beautiful bay window full of windows, this gorgeous decorative fireplace. It's very large, and it also has access to the sleeping porch. Each one of the rooms upstairs is a little unique and special, and it really brings a lot of character to the space. We're now in the backyard, and this lot is incredible. It is over a 1.5 lot size, so it's massive. And in the back, it's very nice and flat. So it's a perfect place if you ever wanted to add a pool. And in the springtime, you're going to be amazed at all the beautiful plants that come out of this. And the coolest part, there's a she shed back here. So it is a beautiful space for storage if you want to use it for potting, or if you wanted to turn it into a lovely space to spend time. So we're in one of my very favorite places. It's this beautiful covered front porch overlooking the street. It's an incredible wraparound patio that has French doors that open up into the living room, where if you can imagine having a party and having the flow come in and out so gracefully. It's such a unique and special property that you really will not see another one in the neighborhood. This home was originally a haberdashery. It was set up as the hat shop on the lower level, and then the owners lived upstairs. In fact, where the kitchen is now was a storeroom until these owners purchased it just a few years ago and had this stunning renovation completed by Red Level. So it is a very unique place that you will not see anywhere else in Atlanta, and it's in one of the very best neighborhoods. You want to live here.